Memory. Yep. So now we're ready.
We're ready.
Okay.
We can press the button now.
Oh, here we go.
Hand on feet hold.
So now we got distance to go is minus 1.2 inches.
That's it. It looks about right.
That looks. Yeah. If that said minus 20, we would stop and just figure out what's wrong. Usually the offset would be wrong. So spindle loops right.
Whoa!
Well, you can override the coolant if you want, so you can see what's going on.
It's nice and shiny. Oh, it's doing it 2 individual passes that way.
Yeah, because this block is a hair wider than our face mill.
We got chips.
We have chips.
Originally, I just did it once because
Right.
we had a smaller block. So that's the end of that. Pocket. Okay, same story. Distance to go
0.7.
minus 3/4.
Sorry.
Yeah, that looks right. All right.
Cool.
After it does the first pass, we'll adjust the coolant knobs so they're hitting.
Because they're not really doing much.
Yeah.
But we can also adjust it for each tool, can't we?
The one on the very right that's actually hitting. Yeah, those you can adjust for each tool. Those ones you just get in and sort of usually kind of stagger them a little so it sort of hits. That's some serious chipping. So this is a little spot. See if that's better. Oh. I wonder if I can do it that way. Better? Better. Yeah, buddy. That's good stuff. Better.
And then you just hit, you just hit 25% rapid to start, or whatever.
Yeah, I hit feed hold and I stopped the spindle with the stop button. I didn't reset anything. And then I adjusted, and then I hit clockwise to turn the spindle back on, and then start so it comes off pause. You can keep going. If you hit reset, you gotta start over. Or restart it.
I don't want to do that. Are you happy with everything?
Yep. Sounds good.
It does sound good.
Yep. You could actually go quite a bit faster.
something like volume mode, you know, like
Yeah, we could go probably. This is
twice as fast.
40 inches a minute. You could probably do it. Yeah, maybe.
No, this is 20. But that's what it's like.
Yeah, for finish.
Oh, 40.
This is 40, yeah. I usually like to get through a program once before I really crank it up. Yeah. Because everything zigzags so fast that it's hard to say.
It's probably not much chipped yet, huh?
Good enough. We'll get there. A little bit.
I don't see any leaks anywhere. So
Does the program call out the auger? Yeah, it calls it up.
not a, you can put encodes in to do it. I don't have any use for it.
But that you just put it manually? The auger?
Yeah, you can just turn it on and off manually too. One more pass. See, like, if you didn't have the box sticking up far enough, like, you could actually machine right down into the jaws. You gotta make sure you got enough meat sticking up. I just ended up going flush with that top floor in the center. So in the end, we're just gonna have a big plate with two pillars sticking up. And then we'll flip it over and trim it off.
So you gotta do this stuff and then flip it, right? To do the side.
Yeah, so we'll do all this, then we'll flip it over, do the back, and then...
When we flip it, we have to re-zero it?
Yep.
It's pretty close to the top of the head.
Yeah, it went down to 1.18 or whatever, and you said it was 1.25, so it'll be within
You said?
millimeters.
Yeah.
I was watching when I did it, like I wasn't gonna let it crack. So now this is a finished pass. This is just finishing the sidewall. Because when you do multiple passes, you'll have like lines across the side. So it's just shaving.
Oh wow.
And you'll see how it's now it'll be flat. So now this is gonna ramp down and cut out the middle. But we can stop and look at it if you want.
Cool.
Cool.
Precision machine. You have now just created a very shiny key.
So now we're just going to pause, so
go
clockwise,
clockwise.
and then I would turn the coolant back on.
And then we go 5.
Nope.
But then also, if I really wanted to make it go faster, I might hit 20 speed up to speed and then speed.
Yeah, I
So
got
you
it.
would just do it with the computer.
I'm running pretty light on the feed rate, so you could increase the feed rate. And then spindle RPMs usually set pretty good based on when I finish the inside of these, I slow the spindle down a little bit. It's not very strong. So these too much RPM and it'll chatter.
Does it sound good to you?
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It's not squealing or. And sometimes on some parts it's gonna be loud. That's the way it is. You know, if you got a part where you got kind of a smaller tool and you gotta reach way down into something, no matter what you do, it's gonna just howl. And a lot of times you just have to vibrate it out of there and then slow way down for the feed rate so you get a nice finish, or the finish pass so you get a nice finish.
So in reality, you can take those places faster.
Oh yeah. I like to wait to do that for the second one. We know everything's cool. Because when it starts zigzagging really fast, like it can go really slow. So you can't hit the button fast enough. I like to go slow the first time.
That's good. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah. Here's the finish pass. So the spindle slow down a little bit. 45 minutes. 40 minutes. 57 or something. So it's finishing the inside of that U shape. We're going to grab tool 7. Just going to plunge those corners.
Yeah, the super awesome corner.
Yeah, so same deal. This needs to go -3/8 of an inch. That looks about right. You can go back and forth, back and forth.
You see how that collar is really, really close?
I think we should be okay though. I did measure that.
The length of the thing sticking out.
Yep. When I stuck that tool in, I measured from the end of that shoulder and made it a little more than the distance.
Yep, the part is a little bit.
Yeah.
Pretty smart, yeah.
Now we got a drill. So, same old story, stop it. Yep. Distance to go. This is our Z position. Distance goes -5/8.
And then you switch counting start. Nice. Heck going.
With the bigger drills, you don't have to worry about that unless you're going really deep. If it's less than like a 3/16 drill, less than maybe a 6mm drill, I would heck drill it. Just because
it doesn't really take any more time.
A little bit on really deep stuff, but it helps get the coolant in there. Like this should go down. Like here, if we stop it here, turn the coolant on. See, like the coolant would way up here, so you can drop it down.
Oh, nice.
So where you think it should be, somewhere in there.
And it'll save it for that.
No, you go to offset, and it's the first column.
Nice.
So, and it says right now we're at 14.
Oh, it would be 14.
Yep.
Look at that.
And you can do that for every tool.
Man.
Tap it. Yep. This is cool. It's amazing every time.
In and out.
Yeah. Aluminum, we don't want to run it dry, so it's harder to see, but yeah. Same deal. Inch and a quarter looks fine. Everything's 100. It'll kick it on at the end of this line. So here we go.
That's crazy. That's very impressive.
And it unscrews at 4 to 1. So it goes in at 1,000 and unscrews at 4,000. Damn. That's so awesome. Like, that's a big deal. Like,
Again,
whoever figured that out is really story. It's in the right spot. Minus a quarter. That looks okay. Just working its way over that corner. It'll be easier to see when we get to it. Yep. Radii. Yep. Yeah, you can adjust it. Now you're on 12. Put 12 there. And then the last one. Yep. Here you can probably see it. Radius. Yeah. Radius is not an efficient way to do it, but it's a way to do it. Yeah. Technology is the thing. This is how I did the props. Just longer profile. There we go. 13 minutes. Nice!